Welcome to today's video. Today's video is for those who don't have a wireless mouse and you can improvise using your phone. So we are going to start by going to your PC, type Bluetooth and other devices, then you connect it. So you go to Play Store, also search for Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. You select any of the applications, but I recommend this one because it is better. I tested all. So after installing your application, you make sure that you open and connect your PC with your phone. So you have to test and see if the cursor is moving, and if it's moving you confirm, then the connection will have succeeded. So we can test our keyboard by maybe going to any search window of your choice or browser, and I will type hello world to test its functionality. So as you can see, whatever I've typed is the one that has gone in the search window. There are many other applications that you can use, but this one seemed to be better, and it works for Android 10 and above. Thanks for watching. See you soon.